Hi, so today we'll be looking at number patterns. Let's look at these numbers on the slide. Can we tell what is the missing number? Firstly, in order to find out what number is missing, we need to figure out what is the pattern. Can you tell what the pattern is? If we look at the numbers, for us to get to the next number, we need to add 10. To get the next number, we add 10 again. So this is the pattern for this series of numbers. Hence, we know to get the missing number, we need to add 10 to 16,230. What is 10 more than 16,230? It is 16,240. Now, let's look at this set of numbers. Can we tell what is the pattern? If you notice, actually the pattern is the same as the previous slide. We add 10 to get the next number. And here we can check that we still add 10 to get the next number. Hence, we know that the missing number is 10 more than 19,225. And what number is this? It is 19,235. Now, let's look at these numbers here. Can you tell what the pattern is? The pattern is we need to add 1,000 to get the next number. And we can check this here. This means that to get the missing number, we need to have 1,000 more than 74,432. Do you know what number this is? It is 75,432. Can you tell what the pattern is for this set of numbers? To get the next number, we need to subtract 100. We can check that this is a consistent pattern. And we know that to get the missing number, it is 100 less than 65,820. Can you find the missing number? It is 65,720. Sometimes, the numbers don't follow a consistent pattern. There might be two patterns happening at the same time. Can you tell what the pattern is? Let's do this step by step. How do we get from the first number to the second number? We add 100. How do we get from the second number to the third number? We add 1,000. How do we get from the third number to the fourth number? We add 100. And to get from the fourth number to the fifth number, we need to add 1,000. Hence, we can see that there's an alternating pattern where we add 100, add 1,000, add 100, add 1,000. So let's check. 23,330 to 23,430, is that adding 100? Yes, which means to get the missing number, we need to add 1,000 to 23,430. And what is this missing number? 24,430. And we can check that from this missing number, to get the next number, we add 100. Can we figure out the number pattern here? to get from the first number to the second number, what number do we add? We add 10. From the second number to the third number, we add 100. Do you think you can guess what the pattern is? Yes, we add 10, we add 100, and then we add 10 again. So to get the missing number, we need to add 100 to 30,440. And what answer is this? It is 30,540. Then we check that the rest of the numbers still follow the pattern. Let's try another set of numbers. Now the blank is very near the front, so I might have to start looking at the pattern from numbers further back. So let's look. To get from the third to the fourth number, I add 1,000. To get from the fourth to the fifth number, I subtract 5. To get from the fifth to the sixth number, I add 1,000. After that, I will need to subtract 5 again. And this is a consistent pattern throughout. So, how do I get the missing number in the blank? I know that whatever number is in the blank, I need to subtract 5 to get 41,935. So what number is this? It is 41,940. And to check that the first number also follows the same pattern, we can tell that we need to add 1,000 to the first number to get the second number. Now you are ready to try practice 6 of your workbook.